You should not come. Good afternoon, Chuik.
Teacher.
All right, only one online. All right, good afternoon. Put it. Okay. All right. On-site leader.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Yeah, good afternoon. Okay, you can take your seats. And okay, so anyway, we have done with the test. So how was it? How did you find the test? Easy? Hard? No easy, no hard. What about Pudit? Was that easy? Easy, right, Pudit? Chuik.
Yes.
Was that easy? Chuik. Pudit is Kaupan, right? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so we will have to take the answers of the test so that you'll be able to know. So that you'll be able to know your scores. All right. Panda, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, so let us now start. Good afternoon. Hey, Bacon, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
All right. Okay, so as I said, we just go through. Anyway, we have done all. So we just go through with the final exam and answer some. All right. You have your test tomorrow, right? For Thai exam. You'll be coming home, or you'll be coming to school or home? At home. All. Oh, okay. Oh, Sui. All right. Good afternoon, Im and Sui and Panda. Anda also. Good afternoon. Okay, so as I have said, we will go through with the test last meeting. Okay, with teacher Yeshi. All right. Okay, question number 1. That was for the part 1, multiple choice. Put. Oh, okay. So the highest was 19. Okay, the highest is 19, almost perfect. There are 2 got 19. All right, so which of the following is not a linear equation in 2 variables? Take note, it is not. Okay, Put, what was your answer to this one? A, B, C, or D? Huh? B, huh? not a linear equation. Take note, it is said not a linear equation. So what was that? In two variables. What do you think? Not. Yeah. Okay, Akira, what was your answer to that? A, B, C, or D?
B.
B. Pai, what was your answer? Can you remember? Omsin. Okay, what was your answer? A, B, or C, or D? Not a linear equation in two variables. B. Same answer, all B. All right, online, what was your answer? Where is? All right, what was your answer? Where are they? 2-8. All right, 2-8. What was your answer? Number one?
Yes.
Letter
C.
C. Okay. So the correct answer for number one is letter C. Why C? Take note, this is a linear equation in two variables. Same with this one, this is also linear equation. All right. And this one is also linear equation. Now, not is this one. Take note, you have there three variables, U, T, and V. So that is why it is not linear equation in two variables. There are three variables in there. Okay? So the correct answer is letter C. Why did you answer B? B has two variables, X and Y. But here, letter C, there are three variables. So it is not a linear equation in two variables. Now, number 2, given the equation 5x plus 2y equals 8, what is the value of x when y equals -6? Pai, what was your answer to that one? Number 2. Yes, Pai? I want A. Okay, take note. You are given the value of y, which is -6. Okay, so what do? We substitute y into the equation. So therefore, it will be 5x, okay, plus 2 times -6, because y is -6 equals 8. Okay, so that you have there 5x minus 2 times -6 is -12 equals 8. Okay, and then you have now 5x equals 8 transpose -12 to the right. So that becomes 8 plus, all right, 8 plus 12. Okay, so therefore you have there equation, all right, variables to the left, 5x, and numbers to the right. Why is it? This is 12. Okay, so equals 20. Cancel out by dividing 5 and 5. Okay, so therefore x equals 4. Okay, so pi is correct. So the correct answer here is 4. Okay, got it? All right. You sure? Did you get the correct answer? But actually, part 1, many got high scores, part 1, but some low also. But part 2, many leave it blank. Blank, part 2, blank, put answered. Omsin, did you? I forgot. Did you take the test? Okay. I forgot if you answered part 1, part 2? Part 2. No? Okay. Only few, very few answered part 2. All right. Question number 3. Which of the following is a linear equation in 2 variables? So this time, linear equation in 2 variables. All right, Omsin, what was your answer? Letter C. All right. What about Bacon? What was your answer to that one? Bacon.
Yes.
B, C, or D? C. Who else? What about Sheena? What was your answer to that? Sheena? What about Put? What was your answer? Okay, take note, you are asked for a linear equation. Okay, letter A, 2x squared plus 2y equals 4. So it is not. Why? Because the power is already, or the exponent or degree is 2. Take note, linear equation is having only 1. Okay, so the degree is 1. Letter C, you have there 3 variables. Okay, so this is not a linear equation. Okay, 3 variables. Letter D, this one is not a linear equation. Why not? Because this is having -1 as the degree, or the power of this one is -1. That is why it is in the denominator. So the correct answer is letter B. Okay? So x equals -2y plus 9. Next, number 4. What was your answer? Im? All right, Im, what was your answer for number 4? What is the value of B in the equation B equals 4a plus 7 when a equals 2? Yes, Im.
I answer C.
C. All right, your answer C. What about the others? Panda, what was your answer?
I cannot remember.
I cannot remember, but what will be the answer to that?
Wait.
Okay. All right, Put, what was your answer? C. B. Okay. So let us solve so that you can check also your answer. B equals 4a plus 7 and a equals 2. So we substitute 2 into a. So therefore B equals 4 times 2, since a equals to 2 plus 7. All right, so B therefore is equals to 8 plus 7. So therefore B equals 15. All right, so the correct answer is letter B. Okay. Mhm. Online, did you get it? So the correct answer is letter B. Next, number 5. Okay. Given the value of m in the equation 2/3 m minus 4n equals 8. What was your answer? Chuik. What's your answer, number 5?
I cannot remember. I forget it.
What will be the answer? All right, can you solve that one? What was the answer? Two-third B or D? Okay, so given that n is 5, so therefore 2/3 m minus 4 times 5, all right, equals 8. So 2/3 m, Akira, equals 8 plus 20. Okay, so y plus, this is minus on the left hand side, transposed to the right becomes positive. So therefore you have there 2/3 m, all right, equals 28. Okay, so you can cross multiply. You have there 2m equals 3 times 8 is 24, carry 2. All right, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 84. All right, so over 2 and over 2. So therefore m equals 42. So the correct answer is letter D. All right. Get. You should try to understand this one, because when you go to higher, it will still be the same. You have subject like this one. Number 6. All right, number 6. What is the answer? All right. Let me ask. Anda. What's the answer for number 6? Anda. Akira? Oh, you solved number 6. Try to solve. If you get correct. Okay, so what is the value of x in the equation 4x plus 5 equals 17? Take note, variables to the left and constant or whole numbers to the right. Okay, you have. All right. So 4x plus 5 equals 17. All right. So 4x. All right, what's your answer? x equals 3. Okay, so 12 over 4, x equals 3. So the correct answer is letter A. Okay. Okay, so 4x plus 5 equals 17. When we solve for the value of x, x would be equals to 3. All right. So if we try to check whether we are correct, then we can substitute 3 into x. So 4 times 3 is 12 plus 5 equals 17. So therefore, x equals 3 is the answer. All right. Next, number 7. 7 and 8. Okay, look at the table of values. Take note the equation there is 8 equals 3x minus y. Yes, okay, you solve. All right, number 7 is when x equals -1. So what is y? Yes, you solve. Yeah. Yeah, number 7. All right. Online, you can solve it on your paper. Yeah, what's the answer? B. How did you get B? Okay. Oh. You're having the. Okay. So if we try to solve that one, that will be 8 plus 3. All right. 8 plus 3 equals -y. So over -1 and 11 over -1. So therefore, the correct answer is letter B. All right. Okay. And same way for number 8. Same process for number 8. So that will be 8 equals 3 times number 8, x is 2. All right. It minus y. So you have here 6 transposed to the right. So that is 2 equals -y, or y equals -2. So that is letter C. All right. Okay. Very easy, huh? Okay, Akira, what's your answer to that one? Huh? Okay. What is that one? Branch of mathematics that studies information given. Huh? D, huh? B. Oh. Huh? You already given all giving all the choices. Okay, what's the answer? C. All right. Online, what is your answer? Okay, going back to. All right, Im, what's your answer? Number 9. A, B, or C, D? Huh? Put. C, huh? Pi. C. Oh, Omsin, answer. C. Oh my God. Chuik, what's your answer? Chuik.
Yes.
Letter?
I don't know.
You don't know, but you get it correct. Letter, oh, that is statistics. Okay? Statistics is that branch of mathematics that studies information given in the form of a data. Okay? Form of numbers. All right, number 10. Number 10, what is your answer? Bacon, number 10. Bacon? Oh, where are you? All right, Im, what was your answer? Number 10? Im. What do you call the numerical information in statistics? Facts, news, data, or question? Im.
I answer A.
A. On
Teacher,
site.
may I go to the toilet, please?
Okay, you go. On site, what's your answer? C. So the correct answer is letter C, data. All right. So the numbers or the information in statistics is what we call as data. Okay, so as you can remember, data can be taken in the form of 3 ways survey. Okay, so that's the last time. All right, number 11. Number 11 is getting hot. Omsin, number 11. What's your answer? Which type of survey referred to when the interviewer asks questions face to face? Face to face. All right. What is that one? A. Pi, what's your answer? A. Akira, what's your answer? D. What's your answer? Put. C. I've given you the clue. Take note, you have there interviewer ask questions face to face. So, B. All right. So the correct answer is interview face to face. Oh, easy, but you answer letter C. What's that? Okay, number 12. What was your answer? All right. Anda, what's your answer? Number 12. Okay, Sheena. Sheena, you there? Oh. All right.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, what's your answer? Number 12.
I
A,
don't
B,
know.
C, or D? Yes, Sheena. What's your answer again? Yeah. Okay. On site, what's your answer? Huh? A. Take note, the clue there is observer. So that is observation. Oh. Okay. So actually the answer is just within the question. You have the clue. The interviewer. So that is interview, face to face. Help of an observer. So observation. OMG. Okay, Akira, what's the answer? Number 13. Data. What data? Okay, what's your answer, Akira? Huh? Data representation uses pictures or symbols. Okay, pictures means pictogram. So that is letter D. Okay, pictures means pictogram. All right, next, number 14. Im, what's your answer? Number 14. What type of data representation which uses bars of equal length? Bars.
I answer B.
All right, so bars means bar chart. Okay, the clue there is bars. And number 15, what's your answer, Pai? On site, what's the answer? Number 15. Data representation shows data collected over a period of time. Line graph? Yes, so that is line graph. Okay, so actually the test was just easy. Only part 2 is quite difficult. Only part 2 is quite difficult. All right. But many of you got correct also in part 2. Okay, part 2, solving linear equation. Okay, you solve. Put number 1. So, okay, Akira, you solve. Here. Okay, number 1 is solved by elimination method. So eliminate. Okay, so as you can see, 2x minus 3y equals 6 and 3x plus 3y equals 4. So by elimination method, you can actually directly eliminate this one. You solve, Akira. Huh? Answer is 3. Why 3? Wow. Huh? 2. Okay, why 2?
I don't know.
You divide. Okay, so that you can cancel out 5 and what remains is x. So therefore x equals 2. What about y? You solve. Okay, so 2 times 2 minus 3y. All right. Okay, equals 6. So therefore that is negative 3y equals 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, so y equals negative 2/3. Okay.
And go 1.
Is that correct? 4. All right.
Teacher 2 ไข่
Huh? ผูกไข่
ไม่มันไม่ใช่ไข่
Okay, by substitution method. Substitution is that we will put one equation as the subject so that we can get the value of the first variable. So here it will be n equals negative 2m because we transpose m to the right. So therefore negative 2m plus 7. Okay, so this is now the value of n, and then we put it in the equation. Okay, so therefore it will be 3m minus 2 times negative 2m, all right, plus 7. Okay, equals 14. Okay, can you follow? Yeah. 3m negative 2 times negative 2m is positive 4m. Okay, so that is positive 4m minus 14, all right, equals 14. Okay, Pi, what's your answer? You are just... So you have there 7m equals 14 plus 14 is 28. Take note, this is negative. 14 transposed to the right becomes positive. So 14 plus 14 is 28. Over 7 and over 7. So m equals, okay, so m equals 4. All right, and then we can now substitute m into the equation to get the value of n. Did you get that one put? Okay. All right, so that was the test. But anyway, I consider part 2. Okay, since many of you did not answer it well in part 2, so I just consider that one. All right. Okay, Kim is here. Those who were not able to take the test, all right, so you can answer, just follow the video. Okay, last Friday, last Tuesday, you can look at the video and answer and send it to the group. Kim, I think you did not take the test. Bacon, did you take the test? And Sui. All right, Sui, you can answer, follow the video last Tuesday, and then send your answer to the line. Okay, you have within this week to do that one. Okay, so that you will have a score for the final test. Sui, Kim, and Panda, did you take the test? Panda or Anda? No. Okay, so you can follow the video and then send your answer to the group. Okay. Also, Sui and Kim. All All right, so that will be all for this afternoon. Thank you so much for attending, online students. Okay, so thank you so much, and also on-site. Leader?
Mood afternoon. Oh, thank you, teacher Raul.
Okay, so you're welcome all. Thank you so much online.
Thank you, teacher.